to do today is to replace the coil spring, the rear coil spring on the Ford Galaxy 2005, this model. So far all I've done is just jack it up using this hydraulic jack and put it on jack stands supporting it, and also I've taken off the wheel, which is there, and taken off one bolt securing the shock absorber to the hub, which is here. That's just held in by one bolt going that way. So that's all I've done so far. Taken off one bolt and 5 wheel nuts here. So now this is actually moving. So I'm basically ready to push this down and get the coil spring out, and then replace it with a new one, which I have there. So let's go do that, see if I can do that. A long bar like this one, and hopefully free up which way can I put this. This is gonna be a challenge because I don't want it to obviously damage anything, and I don't want it to hurt me. So yeah, so I basically this is a two-man jobby. I don't have anyone to help me, so this is gonna be difficult. Right, I'm gonna use my weight. Oop. Come on. Right. I have a feeling that this is going to be starting. Oh my gosh. Whew. Right. I think I'm going to have to pull someone to hold this one. Whew. To help me. So without it slipping, push down on this. Yeah. Try to use your hands, not your foot, because it's going to slip. So with all your body weight, push down. tell you what, you get the spring out, yeah, while I push down. Please. Because you're already saying you can't when you've got to push it over this thing here.
That's going to trap my hands up.
It's not. Right? Ready? Ready? Okay, do it. Lift it up. Over. Come on. Lift it up and over. Right, that wasn't so bad, was it? Huh? Right, we're gonna put the new one yet. We're gonna put this one. I said it's broken. Right. So okay. So this one needs to go up there. Yeah. Up here. Yeah. Have you? Can you see?
No.
It has to go up here, and then this bit here has to go over, like so. Yeah.
Alright.
So hold it there while I push on this one again. What? No, you're gonna slip there. Hang on. Put it here. Yeah. And also, yeah, use all your weight. Yeah. You sure you don't want to do this one and I'll do that one? Because you're gonna injure yourself. Huh? Right, ready? No, put that one in first and then the bottom one, yeah? Ready? You ready?
I can't put it in.
All you need to do is, because I'm going to widen it up,
Yeah, but look,
just go like that and then push it in. Yeah? Don't put your hand in where the things are gonna go. Ready? Go. 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 Go.
I'm trying. Can't you see? There.
Wasn't so difficult, was it? Thank you. You can go now.
It's raining.
Yes, I know. Yeah. Right. I just need to line it up. 2. Whew. Oh, great. Rain, go away. Oh. Whew. Right. Put it in there. Let's just stop off there. Yeah, so that's basically it. Now I need to put everything back. Ooh. Okay. Right. Okay, so since it began a slight downpour, everything is wet. I had to stop. But now I've got to carry on because I've got to get this done for tomorrow, because we are going to Devon tomorrow. And obviously I'd like to be able to use the car. So there you go. But anyway, okay, so time to tighten it back up. Right. Oops. And so I've got to do this in the wet. Wonderful. Now I am also going to replace a few things on this car, namely the brake pads, as it's wearing thin. So I'm just gonna make this up. Okay.